Today, I have to confess to you my little addiction, Marinated Camembert. It is known in the Czech Republic as Nakládaný Hermelín, is a popular pub snack consisting of soft, white mold cheese, like Camembert or Brie, submerged in oil with herbs, garlic, onions, and spices. It is typically left to mature in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 weeks, resulting in a savory, creamy, and pungent delicacy served with bread and beer. Let's start with the onion. One is enough. It doesn't matter how you slice it. What matters is that you actually do it. I happen to cut mine into half moons. Next, we finely chop 2 cloves of garlic and add them to the container with the onion. And now our main ingredient, the culprit behind all this delicious commotion, Camembert. The Czechs have special cheeses of this type made exclusively for marinating. Today, to make things easier, I'm cutting it into 8 equal pieces. You could also slice it horizontally and add something inside, but that is an entirely different story. To the onion, we add half a teaspoon of salt, a few peppercorns for deeper flavor, a few allspice berries to aid digestion, and half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. On top of all that, we add 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika powder. Mix everything together until the ingredients are beautifully combined. Then add our sliced cheese and gently toss again so every piece is lovingly coated. Into the container in which we'll be marinating, place 2 bay leaves at the very bottom. Into this prepared vessel, add everything we've just put together. Pro tip: place onion both at the very bottom and at the very top. Now pour in oil all the way up to the brim. Do not use olive oil. It can turn rancid and spoil the whole masterpiece. Seal it tightly and place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 10 days. But I recommend 30. And trust me, it is worth the wait. While you're waiting for the final product, every few days take the container out and open it to release the gases that build up from the onion and garlic. Waiting is hard, but finally the long-awaited day arrives. The moment when you can indulge in this white gold that melts between your fingers. After those 30 days of marinating, the Camembert literally melts at the slightest touch. You will not achieve this effect after just 10 days. You have to wait. Personally, I love spreading this cheese generously over a crusty baguette and topping it with that marinated onion. But its true calling, its noble destiny, is to stand proudly at the table as the ultimate snack to accompany a cold beer. That's it for today, folks. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye.